Guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up Snap. Now click on your chats, click on search and find that user who you want to search for. So I'm just going to do a random name, Alex. Wait for that to load. All right, a few more. I'm going to add. So here, so if I go ahead and click on add person from here, it will say added by search, but we want to avoid that. So a workaround is to click into the profile user's name. And then if you add it from here, when they receive the invite from me adding them, it won't say added by search. Alright, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot.